SWOT analysis is not just a planning tool, it's a decision-making lens. Knowing when and why to use it can dramatically improve the quality of your strategic thinking. Let's start with the why. Why use SWOT? Because it brings structure to complexity. In any business or personal challenge, there are always 100 things you could focus on. SWOT helps you zero in on the most important ones. It provides clarity in the chaos by breaking down your situation into 4 focus categories: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It simplifies the conversation, forces reflection, and gets everyone aligned around what truly matters. You use SWOT when you need to make a decision that has lasting consequences. This could be launching a new product, entering a market, pivoting your business model, hiring a key executive, or even making a major career move. SWOT works best when the stakes are high and you need to be deliberate, thoughtful, and strategic. It's the tool that helps you step back and say, what's really going on here? Another key reason to use SWOT is to build alignment. In team settings, people often have different views of a situation. SWOT gets those perspectives out in the open. It allows for productive debate about what the actual strengths and weaknesses are. This can lead to better decisions and stronger buy-in. It's not just about analysis. It's about conversation. It brings focus and structure to strategic discussions, especially when people are feeling overwhelmed or uncertain. So when exactly should you use SWOT? Use it during annual planning cycles, major strategy sessions, or quarterly business reviews. Use it before a big decision, like entering a new region, investing in a new technology, or merging with another company. It's also incredibly useful during moments of disruption. When markets shift, competitors rise, or internal morale drops, SWOT can serve as a diagnostic tool to regroup and refocus. You can also use SWOT proactively. Don't wait for a crisis or a crossroads. Some of the best strategies come from consistent reflection, not just reactive planning. Build a habit of revisiting your SWOT every quarter or after any major project. Over time, you'll start seeing patterns and trends that you might have missed otherwise. That insight compounds. One powerful but overlooked time to use SWOT is when onboarding new leaders or teams. It helps them quickly get a grip on the landscape. A fresh SWOT session can accelerate alignment and highlight where immediate wins or risks are. It's a great tool for syncing vision with reality. Also, think about using SWOT during personal reviews or coaching conversations. It's a simple but powerful tool for self-reflection. You get a clearer sense of what you bring to the table, where you can grow, what you should lean into, and what to watch out for. It's strategic self-awareness in action. In short, you use SWOT when you want to make a smart, informed decision, and when you want to bring people together around that decision. It's fast, flexible, and proven. And with today's fast-changing landscape, the ability to step back, reflect, and recalibrate is more valuable than ever. As we move deeper into this course, you'll see real-world scenarios where SWOT creates clarity, confidence, and momentum. Whether you're leading a startup, scaling a company, or planning your next move, knowing when and why to use SWOT could be the difference between luck and strategy. And now you've got the playbook.